Are you looking for a way to create an AI lead generation chatbot for your website that will capture leads for you automatically? Stay tuned. You do not need to know how to code. Just follow these simple steps I'm going to lay out for you, and you'll be able to create an AI chatbot that will automatically collect leads for you as you sleep. Let's get started. So we're going to be creating the chatbot for this example gym website. This is just a fake website I put up just to demonstrate for you guys how this works. This will be used as the source of the data with which the chatbot will be trained, and it will be the site on which the chatbot will capture the leads. Let's get started. First, go to SiteChatify.com and click the Create a Free AI Chatbot button. Once you reach the register page, create a free account. In your dashboard, click the Create a New Chatbot button. Once on the Create a New Chatbot page, you have two options. You can either create your chatbot with a website or documents. But in our case, we're going to be using the website tab. So we just paste in our website here and click Get Links. Now, the length of time this process will take in fetching links will depend on how big your website is. If you have a big website, this may take a few minutes. If you have a smaller website, it may take less. During this process, SiteChatify is crawling the gym website to extract out the number of links and the pages that the website has, which will be used to train our chatbot. All right, that process is done. So at this point, you select which links you'd want the chatbot to be trained on. In my case, I will select all the links. But if you want, you can try to select whichever links you want your chatbot to be trained on, and you can leave out other links. And the chatbot will not have knowledge on the content of those pages. And then click the Next button. On the next page, this is where we create the appearance of our chatbot. I'll create another video for this to show you, to go into more detail on how you can customize your chatbot. But since this video will be focusing on lead generation, we can go through this very quickly. Once you finish saving the changes of the appearance of your website, you are redirected to your chatbot dashboard. And in your chatbot dashboard, you'll be prompted to create your first action. An action is defined as a task that you'd want your chatbot to do. This can be collecting leads, scheduling meetings, creating support tickets, and much more. So when you create a free account to SiteChatify, you have the ability to create one AI action. So in our case, we shall click that, and we shall be redirected to the Actions tab. And the lead capture action is free. It comes with a free account. And so we shall call this lead capture form. So this is the action name that you shall call the action. The action type is the lead capture form. There are other actions, but currently on our tier, we have access to the lead capture form action alone. And the card description, this will be for internal use only. This is a way for you to describe the particular action you've created for your own internal reference. Once you've set that up, you click the Create Action button. Once the lead capture form is created, click the Setup button. Here is where you'll be able to customize when you want this chatbot to bring out this lead capture form to capture the leads. So it can be when a customer asks for more details or whatever it is that you decide. So you just come here and you set that up here, when to capture leads. So it's important to be as descriptive as you can. This will help the AI understand when to offer this lead capture form. For example, for our gym website, let us set up the chatbot to give this lead form when a user asks to have a private trainer. So when that happens, we want the chatbot to capture the name, to capture the email, to capture the phone number. If you want, you can set it as required or not. But here we shall let it be optional. So whatever changes you make here are also applied to your form preview. This is what the form will look like. So here you have contact us. Please provide your contact information so our team can follow up with you on your request. Let's just add that. If you want to change the title of the form, you change this. It will change this. After you made those changes, click Save Settings. Once your settings are saved, you can then test out the chatbot to see if it complies to the instructions you've given it. Let's test it out. As you can see, it has loaded the form and it has followed the instructions that we had asked it to do. The form message that we had set up here is displayed on the form. We have the contact us, that's the name of the form that we had put. Most importantly, all the field names are here. in which the user of the chatbot will be able to add their contact details and their input fields, which you'd like your lead to put into the form, are being displayed here. Now that we have seen it working here, let's actually test it on our gym website. In order to do that, first you have to install the chatbot on your website. All you need to do is just copy this code. No need to understand it, no need to try to grasp what it means. Copy it. The aim is to paste this code in the header of your website. In our case, we're using a WordPress website. So we downloaded a plugin that allows us to add this code snippet in the header. But any plugin that allows you to add this code snippet in the header should work. This is for WordPress. But if you have any other website platform, be it Wix, be it Next.js, be it whatever platform you have, the main objective should be to put the code into the site header of the website. That's all you need to focus on. The chatbot will appear and then the rest will take care of itself. So in our case, we simply just created a code snippet and pasted the code here. And it's site-wide. So an HTML snippet, paste it in the header of your website. Ensure to save or update. Once that is done, you just go back to your website and refresh. As you can see, our chatbot bubble is displaying at the right bottom corner of our website. So now let's test out if this chatbot will capture the leads as we had set it up. Loaded the form with the instructions that we had given it, with the title that we had set up, and with the message that we had also set up. The form fields are also there, and the name, the email, and the phone number. So let's fill the form. Click submit, and there you go. Our chatbot has captured the lead with the information that we requested it to capture. And now we can go back to our SiteChatify dashboard and see where that information has been stored. But first, before we go to where the lead has been stored, you can also check out the chat history to look at the chat and know when that lead was captured. So once you go to the chat history, you can see that it notifies you where in the conversation that the lead was captured. So now let me show you where the generated leads are stored in your SiteChatify dashboard. Just go to leads here. Each of the leads are stored according to the action that you had created. Once you go to leads, you will see the form in which the leads were captured. So once you click on that form, you can see your lead here that we had captured earlier. And you can also click the view chat to see in which exact chat this lead was captured. Once you click that, it takes us back to our chat history. And also you can export or download the leads as a CSV to your computer. So this is how you can easily create an AI chatbot that generates for you leads on your website automatically. Thank you for watching.